Hey guys, it's Kay, of course. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. We might as well just call this video the battle of the pre-cut curly wigs. So if you watched my video before this video, it was a, I believe it was Kinky curly, I'm not sure. It was a curly pre-cut, pre-plucked hairline type of situation wig. So y'all know these companies is coming out with this already pre-cut hairline, which is very convenient. You don't have to cut off the lace, which I know, I mean, I think some people still trip on it, like they don't know how to cut off the lace, especially if you're just getting into wigs. But yeah, sometimes the lace can be a hassle. This one that they sent me, and this is from VShow hair. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty nice packaging. They also sent over a HD wig cap, which I'm not using. I'm just going to use this black one. Before this video, I did a video on another pre-cut, pre-plucked hairline curly wig, and I like that one. That one was really nice. But if you're wondering, if you watch this video and then you watch this one and you like, well, which one do you like better, sis? I actually like this one better. This is what the wig looks like, and it is like that brown and blonde mixed highlight colored wig. Now the construction, here's construction. I do believe this is maybe like a 4x4, so you're not getting as much lace as the last video I posted, but it's an alright amount of lace. I do believe it's a 4x4. All the information will be listed in the description box, just in case you guys are curious and want to know, and if I'm not saying the right information. So construction, it does come with, oh wow, so this one actually does not come with any combs. This is the first time I saw a pre-cut wig constructed with absolutely no combs. You know how that grippy part come right here? It doesn't have anything. The only thing that's in this wig is a elastic band, and it is removable. It's also adjustable. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps. Now the density on this is a little bit thinner, so I feel like I'm gonna be able to manipulate and move it, and just, it's gonna lay better. And that's why I feel like I like this one better. But I went ahead and adjusted the straps, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put her on. Like I said, the curls, when I first got it, it was more so like this. I kind of like finger combed them a little bit, but that's all I did. I'm gonna start from the back. Who is that? This fits really tight, really tight. So if you have a smaller head, I can't remember the size cap, the cap size, but I'll go ahead and list it. Now another good thing about this versus the one before this one is the fact that it fits tighter. I love the fit on here, even though the other one fit tighter, but this one is just like, it's like it was made for my head. So I definitely love that. I love the fact that the lace blends in a little bit more. I like the fact that the density is not as thick where the lace is. I like the density on this one, although it looks full because I plucked it, but it's really lightweight. I don't know, this wig, the fit, the only thing that I don't like is the fact that it doesn't have a comb in the back to like secure the cap. I feel like the cap is like up. But I will say, if you don't mind, you know, purchasing a comb and like sewing it into the wig, that's an option. But this is so freaking nice. I'm gonna do a middle part for this one. One thing I don't really like with this wig is the fact that it's not a lot of parting space. because I do believe it's like a 4x4. It's okay, but I like a good 13x6. Also, you can't see the part because of this black stocking cap, so I'm gonna go in. I had like some leftover concealer on this brush. Hopefully it's still some on there, and I'm just going to put it into the part so you can see it. This is so pretty. Like, this is giving me Scary Spice in her prime, honey. This is really, really pretty. So I'm just going to take some heat because I want this part to kind of lay a little bit more better. So okay, so this is what the hairline looks like now. I just went in and did like this, so it wouldn't be so neat, kind of like fuzzy a little bit, if that makes sense. So anyway, you saw how I lost some of the texture. Not so much this side. This side is still pretty, but this side right here, I'm going to go in with my cake. This is the Thick Trick, and it's volumizing styling foam. So normally this works really good. So I'm gonna take it and see how it operates. And so y'all know it's real. Like, why does my phone keep ringing at a time like this? Like, leave me alone. Guys, so here are my end results. So in love. So in love. Look how nice this is. So if you are interested, check below in my description box. Everything will be down below. This is the hairline. So nice. Look at it. Like, this wig is really freaking pretty.